Hey folks, how you doing today? My name's Anthony Fuller. Today we're going to be reviewing the Catalina 293 QBCK. So this is the Catalina. This right here is your propane. It has the bigger propane tanks on it. Power tongue jack. Diamond plate right here. The weight on this one is what? 6742. So that'll give you a half-ton truck or better. If you come around here, you got your stabilizers on the front and two on the back there. Then if you look in here, you have an enclosed underbelly. So no air will be blowing into you while you're sleeping. That's one of the big things with the open ones, that a lot of air comes in the wintertime. So you got your power awning. This is a bunkhouse. You got your speakers outside. You have a spot right here if you wanted to set a TV out here and do some tailgating. You have your starlight system. You get a remote and it has different LED lights under there, and you can just click it and make it whatever mood you're in. It also comes with a little small outside kitchen also. Come on in, take a look. Okay, so this is the main bedroom. You have storage on each side with hangers. If you want to hang up some stuff, deep storage up there. And if you look right over there, you have a spot you could put a little small TV right there if you need entertainment in here. And then you have storage under here, of course. You have ducted heat, tongue and groove plywood on this one. So now if you look right here, this is your entertainment. Comes with a nice TV, smart TV. Has a DVD, Blu-ray player. More storage for CDs. I don't know, whatever. So you have a trifold bed right here. This bed will roll all the way out to here, so you could get two grown adults on that one. And then you get the big booth dinette, where you can lay that table down and you can get another couple bigger people there. Storage under each one of these on both sides. Then if you come inside the kids' room, where all the parents like, you can shut the door on them. Okay, so if you want to really get rid of your kids, you can put a TV in here, plug it up, and just shut the door. They can have fun in here. You have the bunks up here, two bunks up here, and this is the main permanent bunk. But the other cool thing I love about this one is you have these two futons, so you can get all the kids and the cousins. Everybody could come in this one with you. Lay that down like that. Boom. Got two more beds right there. Isn't that cool? Yeah. All right, step to the restroom. So, as you can see, the restroom has a tub, sink, skyline for tall people to get into the showers. All this trailer is all LED lights all the way around it, so you don't have to have them all on. That helps reserve your batteries on your batteries. You have a Norco fridge. Okay. You have stainless steel appliances in here. You get the oven and the micro in the hood. Corian countertops, so you don't have that T-molding, so you don't have to worry about this splitting up on you. Then you got double sink right here. Awesome trailer. Let me show you about outside. Storage up there. Let's look around here. So what Guaranty does is a store, when it has a slide on it, we provide two batteries for all our customers. So this trailer is on a racket pinion. So as you can see right there, you got those two pipes that go all the way through the metal on the whole trailer, so you don't have to worry about this sagging. So this is a Coachmen Catalina. If you guys have any question about it, feel free to give me a call. I'll send you emails, I'll send you brochures. 541-653-2818. That's Anthony Fuller from Guaranty RVs. Yeah.